See, my truck's down, air suspension quit again. So today we're going to put in a new suspension, at least we're going to try. Got this kit out of Saskatchewan, believe it or not, all by Eibach. These things are always blowing fuses. This is the one right here, F05. Right there, you can see it's kind of like smoky compared to the one I had stored in here. Took a knife to get out, but there you go. Now you can see that blown fuse. Got the rear end lifted up, tires off the ground. We're gonna do the back end first. Look at that. I lifted the truck up, and the air spring isn't even connected to the bottom anymore. It's just pooch, no air or nitrogen left in it. There, we got the springs in. Getting them out was really easy. This is all that's holding it in. 3 little plastic clips. So the only scary part was getting that spring in there. Hit the pride in there with a couple pry bars. As you can see, it just fits. I had to loosen off 13 mil holding the brake line there. Stretching it out, don't want to break that. Nearly busted my finger off trying to get that upper bolt in. Super hard to get behind there. That one is ridiculous. I used a shallow socket, 2 extensions, and used the gas tank as a brace to like hold the socket still. So the upper strut mount, there's a little spacer here, custom made piece by them, but as you can see, it's not painted. How long is that gonna last? Got the front strut out. Came out pretty good. I took the tie rod off as well because they didn't mention it, but it's definitely makes it a lot easier. But I picked seafoam. Got the plates painted, nice seafoam green. Here's what the original side looks like. I like to keep one side done up in case I need a reference. You can kind of see the green down there. Looks pretty cool. And then here's the done side. Upgraded upper control arm, new strut. Says you need a puller, but you don't really. As long as you don't hit it too hard, it should be alright. See, just pops. Just gonna try installing this now. It's a couple inches longer. Hopefully it doesn't get too hard. Just have a hard time clearing that spotter at the bottom there. Some action shots. Okay, go start it. Keep going. Whoa. Whoa. Stop. I loved it. I picked it up. It was gorgeous, beautiful red. But man, these guys did not know how to paint anything. Look at this. That is all black. It is supposed to be red. You spend all that extra money on something, you want it red, don't you? It's a roof rack. You're going to see all of this because it's over your head. I am so fucking disappointed in this guy's quality of craftsmanship. Look at that. What the hell? But still gonna look awesome. Optimistic.